So the project that we realized here at the OI4 Demonstrator in Dordrecht started with a number of alliance members such as Pepperl&Fuchs and Samsung. Because we wanted to address the pain some of the use cases our customers are dealing with. The use cases are all around extracting data from multi-protocol systems in a standardized way from multiple different types of vendors, such that data that is already there, that is communicated by, for example, hard devices, which has been there for 20 years, can be extracted in an automated way, and people don't have to go on inspection rounds anymore. The project started from a technology perspective, wanting to verify a certain technology bases, and from a user perspective to see what could be done if data that is already there at the sites, multi-protocol, can be used to automate tasks around inspection, maintenance, etc. And we as a software provider benefit from this because we can show our customers what it takes to take a brownfield installation and to do condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, etc. at such a site.
The project is for us really relevant because it connects everything on an instrument layer, but also on an application layer, so also in the IT levels. And this is where we actually benefit, all of us, and especially for us, the knowledge part. We need to have more insights on how data streams between devices are realized, but also to higher cloud systems. And for us, it's really a beautiful demonstrator so that we can show how our product works and how it improves actually the asset management level. The biggest value is actually that we have here is that we can play around with instruments in a water and safe environment. So we can fail fast here. We can build, show, demonstrate without having to do with safety issues. And this is something where all vendors are participating to generate the information that we so much need in the process industry.
At the OI4 Demonstrator, we extract data multi-protocol from hard, over hard IP to OpenCUA. From Profinet, from IO-Link devices out there in the field, out there in our calibration loop. And technology-wise, all this data is combined, consolidated, not aggregated, but consolidated in an edge computers that were provided by WAGO. And on these edge computers by WAGO, our software runs to do protocol conversions, condition monitoring, run some predictive algorithms as well to provide insights to the asset owner, the operator.
We got in contact with the OI4 Alliance through the partners in our network that already were connected to the factory. And we made a project with them, and we saw that the possibilities through the OI4 Alliance were very great to showcase our technology and our facilities. The collaboration helps the factory by the connection we have now with the whole network on regional, national and European level to fasten the implementation speed for the industry.
For us, the biggest reason to join is that with our Focus device, we generate so much data points and so much information. We need to communicate to the higher levels. We want to learn from our own data, but also combined with our customer data, so that we can improve our sensors and actuators for the near future as well. And there is so much value in there, so we need to make some form of alliance where we can actually share that data, but also benefit all from that data. And that was the reason why we joined the alliance.